Hey, what's up everyone? It is Thais here. So I am doing passion twists for the very first time on my 4C natural hair. So this will be a test and trial run, guys. So the hair I am using is Bileaf hair, and I did get mine on Amazon, so I will leave the link down below. So this is Bohemian water wave, and it comes with 6 pieces in the pack. This is definitely enough to do a full head because I only use 3 pieces to do my hair. So it also comes with an instruction manual just showing you guys how to install the hair, and it comes with other little things like a mirror, some hair clips, and some hair accessories. So this hair is synthetic and Japanese fiber. So this is all 6 bundles put together, and the hair comes already separated, so you don't have to worry about separating the hair. The hair is very soft and manageable, guys, and it doesn't tangle at all. Okay, so I'm going to be starting my 4th row. And I just part going straight back as if I'm doing a cornrow. I'm using the even edge control, and I apply it to that section. And I just put some on the length of my hair as well, and the ends. And then I put some Eco Styler gel on top of that edge control. So this is gonna allow my hair to look a bit more sleek and shiny so that it can blend in better with the passion twist hair. Okay, so I take about 2 pieces from the bundle. So this is 2 different separate pieces. And I did separate them. So I start from the bottom and just loosen it up a bit. And I just wind it like this to make it easier to grip when I begin my braid. So I will be doing the plait and twist method. So the first thing I do is take 2 pieces of the crochet hair, and it's already separated. And then I begin as if I'm doing a regular plait. So my natural hair will be the 3rd piece to the plait, and the other 2 pieces will be from the crochet hair. And I just begin to plait as if I'm plaiting my hair, but I have that hair in, as you can see. It's very simple. It's not as hard as you think. So I plait for about an inch before I begin my twist. And make sure you are plaiting with tension so it doesn't unravel. So once my plait is an inch up, this is when I separate my hair for the first time. So I'm splitting it into 2 so that I can begin my twist. So when I split it into 2, I just join it with the other 2 pieces of the passion hair. And I take a bit more edge control added to my natural hair so that it can blend in much more better. And now I am beginning to twist the hair as I normally would. So I'm just doing a regular twist. I'm not doing a rope twist or anything like that. It's just a regular basic twist because the key to this hairstyle is for it to be messy. You don't have to make it be super neat with passion twist because that's just the style. And the key to not making the hair unravel is to twist your hair towards the face in that direction. If you twist it away from the face, then you will find out when you get to the end, your hair will be loosed out. It won't be a twist. It'll just be really curly. And I'm sure you guys will experience that when you do that. It happened to me a few times. I would get to the end and my hair is just a curl. It's not even a twist. And remember to pull the hair up. So I did forget to do this during my first few passion twists. So this allows it to come out with the little crinkly look when you pull the ends up. So by the time I got to the second half of my head, my twists were coming out much more neater and they were blending much more better with the hair. And I realized that for the first half, my parts were way too big in comparison to the amount of hair I was using. So make sure that you are doing your parts smaller than the amount of hair that you add. This will help you to blend the hair much more better. So this will be the second demo, and there you have it. I'm just twisting the hair to make it easier to apply, and then I'm just starting as a regular plait. You see that? So it's 3 strands, a regular plait, and I'm just plaiting down to 1 inch before I begin my twists. So before turning on the camera, I tried a few methods, and this was the method that I decided to go with. I tried the rubber band method, but I didn't want the rubber band to get stuck in my hair when it was time to take it down. And I tried the crochet needle method, but it was just double the work trying to get the hang of the crochet needle. So this was the perfect one for me. I didn't attempt the rope twist method because I just knew it was just gonna be too much with my fingers. So I was like, I need to stick to this one. And now I am splitting the hair again for the first time once that hair is in the middle. And then I begin a regular twist. I love this hairstyle. It is just so effortless, so easy to do. And it's really quick to do, guys. It doesn't take much time. Mine took a lot of time because I was learning. But I know for my second go around, I will knock this out in like 6 hours. So after I'm finished, I am applying some Cream of Nature Argan Oil Foam Wrap Lotion to my twists. This just helps to set everything into place and allow everything to blend in well. And I am done with this hairstyle, guys. This is the end of it. This is my protective style for the summer. So yeah, I'm definitely looking forward to doing this hairstyle again. I know I will do a much better job the second time around, but I'm very proud of my results the first time around. Like, this is amazing results for a first try. Yes, I'm very happy with it. It looks so pretty, so cute, so effortless, and it's just perfect. So thank you all so much for watching. I hope that you learned how to do your passion twists all by yourself at home. Definitely leave me a rating down below and some comments if you have any, and I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe as well, guys. See you next time. Bye bye.